respect the sacrifice.
For employees of this brand new plant, arrival at work starts with a discipline course, a rigorous discipline course.
Don't waste your time, hurry up. Move forward a bit, make a straight line. Here, surprise.
The bosses are Chinese and they impose their methods.
Last time, I already showed you how to do it. Do I have to say it again?
Every morning, these Ethiopian workers have to bend to a series of quasi-military exercises.
Arms at your sides. To the right. To the right. To the right. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2.
They work for the Chinese company Huajian, the largest shoe manufacturing company in
Thanks for watching. This video is for entertainment only, but if you know, you know.